This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we are conducting 19C Golden Gate Administration Workshop, and this course is basically designed for the DBA. And nowadays, if you know Golden Gate, then you have better advantage in job growth. And if suppose you are switching the job, because right now in the market Golden Gate expert DBA is also required. So if you understand the GG, and if you understand to install and configure and manage GG, then you can fix real-time issues, and this will give you extra weightage to your profile, and it will help you stand ahead among the DBAs. So these are the plus point if you know Golden Gate. And for me, I am expert trainer certified, almost 15 plus certifications I have, and 14 plus year as a database consultant, and 25 plus year as a mentor and corporate trainer. Almost more than 100 batches I have delivered. And for lab, we can help you on your laptop in configuration and course material. Everything will be recorded and will upload on the Google Drive, and that Google Drive you can access to view purpose, and that is for 6 months. If suppose you want to extend, you can request and we will extend the limit of that. And as far as course content, in this we will show you how to install the virtual box, how to create the virtual machine after installation, and what are the settings required to manage or install Linux. And after that, we will do Linux installation. Basically, I will do Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.5, and then we will see some basic Linux command which is required for DBA. And then we will go for Oracle Server installation, where we install software binaries in Oracle Home, and then we will create a database for that. And after that, we will go for Golden Gate introduction and Golden Gate architecture, and what are the pre-installations required for Golden Gate, that we will cover. And after that, we will install the Golden Gate, and we will prepare the environment for Golden Gate. And we know we have uh, classic, we have integrated, so we will see the differences between that. And then we will configure the change capture like extract, and we will configure change capture like replicate. So we will do this, and we do extract trails and files, and then configuration of initial load, what is the things required. And then we will discuss about Oracle Golden Gate parameters, and after that we will discuss Golden Gate commands. Then we will see configuration option, then bidirectional replication, DDL replication we will discuss, and then we will see how to manage the Golden Gate and how to monitor the Golden Gate, and troubleshooting of Oracle Golden Gate issues. So these are the 25 topics for this workshop, and these are the main heading. In that we will cover a lot. I don't want to add so many things in the curriculum so that it increase the pages. So I don't want to do this. So that's why I have put only main headings of my workshop. Okay, so let's do the slide. Let me open. Okay. Okay. So why Oracle Golden Gate and what is it? So basically, Golden Gate is an Oracle Fusion middleware, which enables you to replicate data across various databases in your client side, and Oracle Golden Gate moves data within a second. And in other words, we can say in real time, while maintaining transactional integrity, Golden Gate captures committed changes on specified tables and deliver them to target system. Before Golden Gate, it was Oracle Stream. By that, we can transfer the data. But after Golden Gate, Oracle Streams is now vanished from Oracle, and now fully Oracle Golden Gate is using. If you see in the diagram, Oracle Golden Gate is designed to work in a heterogeneous environment and across different operating system. It means your database can be different, your operating system can be different. We will see later. And in that, if you see in the diagram, we have database, we have enterprise data warehouse. ETL means extract, transform, and load, and HW means hardware, and ODS means operational data store, and OLTP means online transaction processing, and OS means operating system. So in the diagram, you can see that it is providing high availability. It is providing zero downtime in upgrade and migration. It is using for live reporting. It is using for operational business intelligence. It is using for transactional data integration. So this is Golden Gate. And why do we need Golden Gate? So we have some points in that. First is it will deliver continuous operations. So what does it mean? Means mission critical applications to eliminate planned and unplanned and planned downtime and related cost. And lower IT cost means it provides heterogeneous support for multiple platforms, will leverage lower cost in infrastructure for query offloading, and improve efficiency through improved performance, scalability of real-time feeds and data distribution. And it will reduce the risk. It will reduce the risk of uh, by ensuring data integrity and reliability between source and target database, and reduces barrier means to sharing data because it has no application impact for real-time data acquisitions, provides improved visibility and business insight, and provides extensibility and flexibility by meeting a variety of customer needs and data environments with open and modular architecture. So these are the things which is why we configured Golden Gate in our environment. And the uses of Golden Gate is primary uses. It will capture the change data, and it will deliver from database transactions logs, and optional use is initial load directly from database tables. So this is useful for synchronizing heterogeneous databases. Like in the diagram, it is showing database A to database B. So database specific method may be preferable for homogeneous configurations. Homogeneous means same type of databases, but in heterogeneous, Oracle Golden Gate is the best option to share the data. So one of the main purpose of Oracle Golden Gate is to share data changes from one database with another database, and you can also perform initial load data migration. And the exception to the database specific is Oracle to Oracle, means homogeneous environment. In this case, Oracle Golden Gate is recommended method, and transaction logs in an Oracle database based context are the redo logs, which store changes and are different than undo data stored in an undo table spaces. So these are the uses of Oracle Golden Gate. And what is the use case example? So this is the production database. There is a reporting instance, there is OLTP application, there is reporting application, and we are using LAN, WAN, web TCP IP route real-time data between two databases. So operational reporting from a single source system or running queries on the source production system can affect performance. So the best practice is to offload reporting to a lower cost system. So Oracle Golden Gate enables real-time reporting from a lower cost system by keeping the reporting database in sync with OLTP database. So Oracle Golden Gate can move just the data that is needed for reporting, and the heterogeneity enables the use of lower cost system. So the data is moved with sub-second latency, and there is no performance degradation for the source system. The transactional integrity is maintained, and there is a provision for complete data recoverability. So these are the use cases where we use Oracle Golden Gate for operational reporting. Okay. And another use is for Golden Gate is eliminate downtime for migration and application upgrades. So you can use Oracle Golden Gate to upgrade, migrate, and maintain a database, hardware, and operating system or an application. It will minimize the risk with the fallback option. So we have fallback option in the diagram. You can see fallback data flow. And it will improve success with phased user migration. So whenever a database or an application, an operating system or hardware must be upgraded or migrated, Oracle Golden Gate enables zero downtime upgrades by synchronizing the new system with the existing one, so that user can immediately switch over as soon as the data is fully synchronized. Okay. It also offers a fallback option to go back to the old system if needed for any reason. So Oracle Golden Gate can help with migration or upgradation of Oracle application like Siebel, JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, eBusiness Suite, and other application. Okay. Now, if you are doing upgrade, so it will eliminate downtime during the Oracle database upgrades. So suppose you are upgrading from 11G, 12C or 18C with zero database downtime. So it leverage new features of Oracle database 19C without affecting business operation. It will minimize the risk by using the fallback option. So key use case in eliminating planned downtime is database upgrade. So Oracle Golden Gate enables zero database downtime for upgrades, supporting upgrade versions are 11G, 12C, 18C to 19C. The solution basically enables zero database downtime by synchronizing databases in different version and enable immediate switchover. Customer can also use the two database version concurrently to make the upgrade completely transparent to the application user, as well as to validate data consistency. Oracle Golden Gate does not support Oracle 8i, 9i, 10G. Golden Gate 11.2 supports Oracle 10.2040, and older version of Golden Gate supports Oracle 8i and 9i, but they are no longer on the certification matrix because Oracle is not supporting 8i or 9i or 10G or 11G. So Golden Gate is also be used to upgrade or migrate non-Oracle databases. So migration and maintenance can take many forms, like migrate from non-Oracle database to Oracle 19c, upgrade Oracle database versions from 1811G to 18C or 19C, upgrade or migrate the database server or operating system, perform database maintenance, perform application upgrades. So these are the things where we use Oracle Golden Gate. Okay, and if you have disaster tolerance, suppose you are eliminating unplanned downtime with active data guard. For disaster tolerance, active data guard is a best practice for Oracle databases. So in active data guard, basically it protect a primary database that Oracle Golden Gate is using for source. An active data guard can also be used to protect a primary database that Oracle Golden Gate is using for a target. So the highest level of availability can be achieved, and it will result zero or near zero downtime for both unplanned outage and all planned maintenance activity using a combination of Oracle Active Data Guard and Oracle Golden Gate. So Active Data Guard has a separate license. Oracle Golden Gate has a separate license if you have Enterprise Edition. Oracle Data Guard provides zero data loss for failover, and it provides data protection, and it is very fast failover for database failure and cluster failure and data corruptions. Using Active Data Guard, which offers the additional benefit of being able to open the standby database in read-only mode, which allow the queries to return results that are identical to what would be returned from the primary database. So the other significant Oracle Active Data Guard HA benefit is auto block recover for physical block corruption. So that is very important point. And Oracle Golden Gate provides advanced replication features like bidirectional replication used to facilitate zero downtime plan maintenance, migration, and for database application upgrades. So we will see in the workshop what is bidirectional. Okay, and also we have downtime with live standby. So suppose for disaster recovery, Oracle Golden Gate can support a live standby database system also. So Oracle Golden Gate keeps a live standby database system in sync continuously to enable immediate switchover to the standby system when needed. So the secondary system live standby is open read write and can be queried by other ways. So a post cutover data flow from standby to primary is also provided. Any data that is processed by the leave standby during the outage is moved to the primary as soon as it is back online. Okay. Now, if you have active, so it will increase the return on investment on existing server and synchronize global data. So active to active or multi-master database configuration also help to eliminate system performance issues by allowing transaction load distribution between completely parallel system, which Oracle Golden Gate replicates. So active to active configuration also enables continuous system availability because of the availability to work with the remaining database. If one database fails, data can be filtered to move only certain schemas, tables, or rows. So these are the points we should remember about active. Now we know the sharding. So Oracle complete data replication platform for sharded database also. So sharded database is a collection of shards. Shards can be placed in one region, that is data center, or can be placed in different regions. So a region in the context of Oracle sharding represents a data center or multiple data center that are in close network proximity. Shards are basically replicated for high availability and disaster recovery with Oracle replication techniques like Active Data Guard. So for HA, the standby shards can be placed in the same region where the primary shards are placed for that. Okay, so for DR, the standby shards are located in another region. So Oracle Golden Gate microservices architecture provides a complete data replication platform for shard databases. Okay, so if you have sharded databases, so you have Oracle Golden Gate for replication. Now, offload Redologs. So it captures can be offloaded from the source database to an intermediate host by copying the Redologs. So Oracle Golden Gate in the diagram you can see version is 11.2030 or higher with the plus sign to show offloading to a downstream database. In the main minimum version you can have a later version such as Oracle Golden Gate 19c. So Golden Gate and Oracle database numbers are not necessarily in the sync. That is, you can run Oracle Golden Gate 19c against Oracle database 11.2.1. So the downstream database is not a standby database. So these are the points we should know about offloading Redologs. Now improve production system performance and lower cost for query offloading. So heterogeneous configuration may include different OS, different database version, different type of database, and legacy system query offload. And active environments may also be doing bidirectional replication. So Oracle Golden Gate can also be used to move data from a CPU bound source machine to a different target machine that is not CPU bound. So to handle semi availability issues, Oracle Golden Gate offers the approach of offloading queries. So it will improve the performance of the production system by assigning expensive queries to a secondary lower cost platform. So good example that requires in the solution is an airline where many users who query the airline databases but who may not actually confirming a booking. So allowing these users to perform their queries on different continuously synchronized database improves production system performance, and it will extend the life cycle of existing OLTP system. Okay, investment, sorry. Now, what are the topologies we have? So we have unidirectional query offloading. We have bidirectional standby or active-active for HA, peer-to-peer load balancing, multi-master we called, broadcast data distribution, integration, consolidation, data warehouse, cascading data marts. So these are the modular architecture that provides the flexibility to extract and replicate selected data records, transactional changes, and changes to data definition language across a variety of topologies. So with this flexibility plus the filtering, transformation, and custom processing features of Oracle Golden Gate, you can support several business requirements like business continuance and high availability, initial load and database migration, data integration, decision support, and data warehousing. Excuse me. And another Golden Gate topology is production to test, on-primes to cloud, cloud to on-primes, and co-located on database servers, hub server, production to big data targets. So Oracle Golden Gate modular architecture supports these kind of topologies where replicate change from production to standby, production to test to eliminate the need for scheduled refresh, and on-prem database to cloud environment, including private cloud or third-party cloud, and private cloud or third-party cloud to on-premise environment. Golden Gate installed on and co-located on source or target database server. Golden Gate installed on a hub server running remote from source or target database. Golden Gate capture the changed from a relational database and delivering them to big data targets. So these are the topologies is available in Oracle Golden Gate. Now, what are the supported databases we have? So these are the supported database is with 19C, and it is ideal. Golden Gate is ideal for heterogeneous environment. It will not just to support different version of the same database or operating system hardware, but it will replicate and integrate data across vendor system. So basically, Oracle Golden Gate support log-based capture of change data from nearly all major database vendors. So replicating and delivering that data are also available to an even wider range of targets, including open source database, data warehouse application, ETL servers, Java message service means JMS, messages queues to support service-oriented architecture, that is SOA, and even event-driven architecture, that is EDA. So or other system are supported for delivery when using the flat file adapter, application adapter for Java, and Golden Gate for big data. So like Netza and Green Plum system when using the flat file adapter. So not all databases are supported on all version of Oracle Golden Gate. So before going to do this, always check the latest certification metrics. So we can capture the data from Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL Server, Sybase, DB2, and there are many. And delivery we can do on Oracle, Amazon, Aurora, Postgres, MySQL, MS SQL, Sybase, etc. So you have to check the certification metrics where you can get. There is website oracle.com, then go to middleware, then go to technology section, then fusion certification.html, where you will see the things. And supported operating system we have Linux, Windows, Oracle, Solaris, HPUX, IBM AIX, and IBM ZOS, IBM iSeries, Z Linux. So you can also check for website, Oracle website, for latest certification metrics. So if you have any doubt, you can go and check the certification metrics from Oracle site. And this is the diagram which is related for Oracle Golden Gate for big data. So here you can see that the Oracle Golden Gate software extract, process, captured data from the source database log file, Second point, the data PEM extract transfers the trail file that is stored locally to the database server over the network to the integration server. Third, the collector process basically on the integration server receive the trail file sent by the data pump process on the source database server. Fourth point, the replicate process on the integration server reads the trail file and sends the transaction data to the Java model. And fifth point is the Java model receive the transactional data and dispatch it to the appropriate target module. And the sixth point, the Oracle Golden Gate for Big Data module physically stores the transactional data to the target environment. Okay, these are the things which is used in when you are using Oracle Golden Gate for big data. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today's demo, and thank you very much for joining these sessions. I hope this will be interactive sessions. So if you have any questions, you can ask.